Experiment 4. Reaction of aliphatic and aromatic hydrocarbon. Objective of the experiment to study the chemical properties of an alkene, alkene and arene. To differentiate an alkene from alkene and arene. Introduction. Give class of hydrocarbon of each homologue and name the functional group. Alkene are saturated hydrocarbon. No functional group in alkene. Alkene are unsaturated hydrocarbon. Functional group of alkene is carbon-carbon double bond. Arene are unsaturated aromatic hydrocarbon. Functional group of arene are benzene ring. Result. Cyclohexane. Draw structure of cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. Member carbon in cyclic compound and carbon-carbon double bond as functional group. Toluene. Benzene ring. Structure of benzene ring. Bonded to CH3. Theoretically, cyclohexane, when react with bromine test, it will give observation decolorize the reddish brown color of bromine. In the dark, the reddish brown color of bromine remain unchanged. For cyclohexane, it can react with bromine in the presence of sunlight and in the dark. So our observation is decolorize the reddish brown color of bromine. In the dark, the answer is decolorize reddish brown color of bromine. For toluene, toluene only react with bromine in the presence of sunlight. So the observation in sunlight decolorize the reddish brown color of bromine. But toluene do not react with bromine in dark. So the observation is reddish brown color, reddish brown color of bromine remain unchanged. Bayes test. Bayes test is used as identification test for alkene. So, it only gives positive results toward alkene only. So, the observation for cyclohexane, the purple color of KMNO4 remain unchanged. For alkene, decolorize the purple color of KMNO4 and brown precipitate form. For toluene, the observation is same like cyclohexane. So the observation is the purple color of KMNO4 remain unchanged. Discussion. For part A, cyclohexane undergoes free radical substitution reaction in the presence of sunlight. Write the equation. So draw cyclohexane. Cyclohexane react with bromine in the presence of CH2Cl2 in UV. So product form is cyclohexane attached to Br, and side product is HBr. Cyclohexane undergoes electrophilic addition reaction with or without sunlight. So write the equation. Cyclohexane, raw cyclohexane react with bromine in CH2Cl2 in UV. So 2Br will added to the carbon-carbon double bond. Cyclohexane react with bromine in CH2Cl2 in the dark. So 2Br added to the carbon-carbon double bond. Addition reaction occur and 2Br added to carbon-carbon double bond. Toluene undergoes free radical substitution reaction in the presence of sunlight. So for the equation, draw structure of toluene. Benzene ring bonded to CH3 plus reagent Br2 in CH2Cl2 in the UV or sunlight. So product form is benzene ring. So substitution reaction occur. So will form CH2Br and HBr as side product. For part B, cyclohexane cannot be oxidized. So we write the equation. For cyclohexane react with Bayer test, reagent for Bayer test is KMnO4OH minus, cool. So we write no observable change. For cyclohexane, cyclohexane is oxidized to form a diol. So cyclohexane plus KMnO4 OH minus and coal. Addition reaction occur and 2 OH added to the carbon double plus MnO2 form and give brown precipitate. Toluene cannot be oxidized. So we just write equation. Toluene CH3 bonded to CH3 react with reagent for Bayer KMnO4 OH minus, coal. So we just write no observable change. Conclusion: cyclohexane and toluene undergo free radical substitution with bromine in the presence of sunlight. Cyclohexane undergo electrophilic addition with bromine with and without sunlight. Cyclohexane and toluene cannot be oxidized with Bayer's test, and cyclohexane can be oxidized with Bayer's test. That's all. Thank you.